what if a tiny lizard could solve our massive waste problem? Well, it can. Let's get into it. You know that feeling when a simple battery swap means you have to buy a whole new phone? Well, the villain here is something we use every day, glue, and it's completely broken.
Sure, it's strong at first, but it's also brittle and toxic. One temperature change and snap.
And they're designed to be permanent, so trying to fix something, you just end up destroying it. So what's the result? A giant mountain of waste from stuff we just can't fix or recycle. But what if nature already figured this out, like billions of years ago? And that's where our hero comes in, the Gecko. Its grip is insane, powerful, instant, and perfectly clean. So, how's it work? It's not glue, it's pure physics. We're talking van der Waals forces. It's this invisible, super faint electrical attraction that happens between molecules on any two surfaces. On its own, this force is crazy weak, but the Gecko is a master of multiplication. The secret is in the architecture. The strength comes from the foot's geometry, not chemistry. All those tiny hairs create millions of contact points, turning a weak force into an unbreakable grip. But here's the real magic, it's not permanent. The Gecko can just let go, instantly. Unlike glue that leaves a toxic mess, the Gecko's bond is structural. It releases cleanly, every time. So let's copy that. This is the inspiration for what we call a reversible fastener. Okay, how does this actually help us? Well, think about repairing your phone. No more heat guns, just cleanly peel off the back, swap the part, and snap it shut. And just like that, this one idea unlocks the entire circular economy. No more e-waste. It's all about designing things right from the start so they can be taken apart and reused. So if we can do this for our phones, what else could we make last forever?